Hi everybody, I hope all of you are doing wonderful. I was thinking of learning some basics of SQL. So, my philosophy is I like to learn by teaching. So, by the way, before I start, I was not able to find any uh, drawing application for Mac for free. So, basically, I created this one with HTML on which you can draw on Mac. So, if anybody want that HTML code, I'll share it with you. So now let's try to understand the basics. Let's start from the basics of SQL, and I'll be using ChatGPT because we all should be, right? It's a tool for us. Okay, let's go. Let's see. So here the basic we are saying. Let's understand what is SQL on a whiteboard. Okay, we should start with the problem. On whiteboard, draw a simple table like this. Okay, we have this table. We have customer ID, name, city. We have Ali, Sara, Zone, Delhi, Mumbai, Dubai. Okay, then ask how do we find all customer from Mumbai. Okay, so we want all the customer who are residing in Mumbai, right? Then most people would say scroll through the table with eyes. So this is very basic. You should not scroll through the table with eyes for finding uh, all the customer in Mumbai. Now that there is only one person in Mumbai, because the table is dramatically small compared to what exists in real life, right? So now what we'll do, uh, we'll introduce SQL. So what we can do, we'll write. SQL is actually a structured query language. It's a special language to talk to database. So database is basically something where all the structured data is stored in different file format. So instead of searching manually, we can ask the database in a precise way. Now SQL is a descriptive language. Behind the scene, it is also like those languages like Python and all. I hope so. But it is simplified for us. We do not need to write any loop, any for, and all those things. We'll simply write select name from customers where city equal to Mumbai. Now all the rows where people living in Mumbai will be displayed. For example, you might be using Snowflake or different data warehouses, or maybe Azure, Synapse Analytics, or maybe something on AWS, maybe some PZ admin and things like that. So what happening here, we have select. Uh, so it is what you want. We have for from. From is used to define which table you want to be included. Then we have where, which is a condition or filter. So okay, in this table we need to apply what condition? Is it the city condition? Is it the age condition? Is it the country condition? All those things. Now let's understand a real life analogy. On the board, draw a librarian and a library. So imagine library to be a database, self to be a table, and book to be the row. Now let's try to understand. So instead of us searching self, we can ask the library in SQL, give me all the books written by XYZ author, right? This is what is it. It has written here. So on the board, write a simple definition. SQL, a language to store, search, and manage the databases. I think it's very explanatory by itself, so I don't think I need to write and explain anything here. But for the sake of this, I'll just write one thing. Okay, my writing is not that good. I'll stop it and I'll write again. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video will make sense. Thank you so much.